What are the eligibility criteria for getting a home loan on a salary of $30,000?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to unravel the mystery of home loan eligibility. Specifically, we will be focusing on how you can be eligible for a home loan if your annual salary is $30,000.
What is a home loan?
A home loan, or a mortgage, is a sum of money borrowed from a financial institution or bank to purchase a house. Home loans consist of an adjustable or fixed interest rate and payment terms. The house you buy acts as collateral, which the bank can repossess if you fail to make payments.
What factors determine home loan eligibility?
Lenders look at several factors when determining your eligibility for a home loan. 1. Credit score. This is an indicator of your creditworthiness, the higher the better. 2. Debt-to-income ratio, DTI. This shows what portion of your income is dedicated to debt payments. 3. Employment history. Stable employment indicates a reliable source of income. 4. Loan-to-value ratio, LTV. This is the amount of money you're looking to borrow as a percentage of the home's value.
Can I get a home loan on a $30,000 salary?
Yes, you can. The key lies in understanding the affordability aspect of a home loan. Here's what you need to consider. 1. Down payment. The more you can put down, the less you need to borrow. Aim for a 20% down payment to avoid private mortgage insurance, PMI. 2. Debt-to-income ratio. Most lenders want this to be 36% or less, including your proposed mortgage payment. 3. Monthly housing cost. Typically, lenders want your total monthly housing cost, including mortgage, insurance, and property taxes, to be no more than 28% of your gross monthly income. 4. Credit score. A credit score of 620 or above will generally help you secure a home loan. If you're making $30,000 a year, it's vital to consider all these factors and perhaps consult a mortgage broker or financial advisor to make an informed decision. In summary, getting a home loan on a $30,000 salary is certainly achievable, provided you have a good credit score, manageable debt, and a stable job. However, it's important to bear in mind that your income will significantly impact the amount you can borrow. Remember, buying a home is a significant financial decision, and it's essential to make sure you're making the best choice for your situation. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information has been helpful in your journey towards home ownership.